Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to connect your Battle.net account to your Steam account. Now it's a very easy process. Now in order to actually achieve this, you will need a middleman. So in this case, the middleman between Steam account and Battle.net is going to be Activision. So firstly what you have to do is just simply log into your Battle.net account and log into your Steam account. And also log into your Activision account. If you don't have one, just simply sign up. It's totally free. Then go to Activision account, click on profile. Now over here you'll find multiple options, and in gaming networks you'll find two options: link your Battle.net account and link your Steam account. So link them one by one. So firstly click on link account for Battle.net, then click on send code. It will send a code to the registered email address linked with your Battle.net account. So check the inbox for the verification code, and after you have entered the code, click on submit. Now give it a few seconds, then again click on link account over here. Now click on continue, and just like that your Battle.net account is linked. Now do the same thing for Steam. Click on link account, click on continue. Now click on sign in because you have already done the sign in process over here. It would also send a verification code to your email address linked with your Steam. So just simply keep that in mind. Then click on sign in. So as you can see right over here, my Steam account is already logged in to my other Activision account. So the process will be the same. As you can see, the Battle.net account was linked. Now after the verification process, just simply click on link account over here, and then your account will be linked just like Battle.net. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.